Why fruit-infused water?
Fruit-infused water is a simple way to make meeting your daily hydration goals more enjoyable. By adding fresh fruit, herbs, or even veggies to water, you introduce natural flavors and a boost of nutrients. It's free of added sugars, refreshing, and can help encourage you to drink more water throughout the day.
Classic lemon and mint.
Combine sliced lemon and a handful of fresh mint leaves with water for a crisp, revitalizing drink. Lemon offers a vitamin C boost, while mint provides a cooling sensation. Allow to steep for at least 30 minutes in the fridge for full flavor. Perfect for a zesty and uplifting hydration option any time of day.
Berry citrus blend.
Mix a handful of strawberries and blueberries with a few slices of orange. This colorful combo infuses antioxidants from the berries and a tangy citrus kick from the orange. Great for a naturally sweet and refreshing beverage that feels like a treat but is packed with hydration and nutrients.
Cucumber lime refresh.
Add thin cucumber slices and a few wedges of lime to your water for a spa-like experience. Cucumber hydrates and soothes, while lime provides a tart, revitalizing twist. This recipe is especially cooling, making it an ideal choice after a workout or on a hot afternoon.
Tropical pineapple coconut.
Bring tropical vibes to your day by infusing water with pineapple chunks and a few slices of fresh coconut. These flavors combine for a gentle sweetness and a burst of vitamins. Enjoy this naturally sweet and delightful option for a touch of vacation no matter where you are.
Apple cinnamon spice.
Slice up a crisp apple and add a stick of cinnamon to your water for a subtly sweet, aromatic blend. This combination is perfect for fall or whenever you crave a cozy, comforting drink. It's a great way to add variety while staying hydrated throughout the day.
Tips for infusing water successfully.
Use fresh ingredients and let your water steep for at least 30 minutes in the fridge for maximum flavor. Try different combinations to suit your tastes and stay motivated to drink more. Always wash your produce well and enjoy your infused water within 24 hours for best taste and quality.